A recursive relation allows you to create relationships between entities of the same data store class. In this application, each employee has a manager. Each manager themselves is also an employee. To represent this relationship, we'll create a recursive relation attribute. We'll create a new attribute called manager in the employee data store class and tab over to the type. Then we'll enter the employee data store class name since the manager is actually an employee. We'll hit enter, then tab. You can see that a many relation attribute was created. This new collection is a group of other employees who are managed by the current entity. We could appropriately name this attribute direct reports. Now, from the employee data store class, we can access who their manager is and all of their direct reports. We have switched to a completed application with sample data to demonstrate recursive relations at runtime. First, let's look at a server-side JavaScript file to learn about the syntax of accessing recursive relation entities. We have a find method that brings an employee entity into the oneEmployee variable. We'll run this script. You can see the entity is output and the manager entity has an ID of 6. To access this employee's manager, we will simply add .manager to the end of the employee entity. When we play, you can see it returns the employee with the same ID of 6, the correct manager. This elegant syntax can be chained together. Let's add another level, .manager. Now we'll be accessing the original employee's manager's manager. Wakanda has very strong features for working with hierarchies in your data. Let's switch over to the browser and see this in action. As you can see, it is simple to assign and show a management chain to employees.